Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Studio, the place where we break down the wildest, craziest, and sometimes downright magical AI tools, before the rest of the world even hears about them. I'm Mark, and joining me as always is the one and only tech wizard who seems to see the future before the rest of us. AIBundle?
Reviewed with care. Shared with honesty.
You always hype me up too much, Mark. But today, I think the hype is justified. Because what we're about to share could honestly change how you build content, run your projects, and even how you make money. Seriously.
Okay, you've got my attention. Should I be worried, or should I be jumping for joy?
Jump for joy, hands down, because we're diving into something called Creative Lab AI. This is basically a massive ultimate collection of creative AI models. Think of it as a supercharged toolbox that rolls video creation, audio, design, 3D, text generation, even SEO and chatbot building, all into one place.
That's a lot already. You're telling me it can do all of that?
Totally. You can make 4K videos with text prompts, you can animate images, drop them straight onto TikTok or Reels in one go. You get over 2,000 voice options, expressive, emotional, multilingual, and yes, you can even clone your own voice if you want.
Wait, voice cloning?
Yeah, real voice cloning, so your brand sounds the same every single time. And if you want graphic design, you basically have a workshop that feels like Canva, but with superpowers. Build logos, presentations, ads, the whole thing.
Wow, and text content too?
Absolutely. Over 150 templates, blog posts, emails, product descriptions, even high-converting ad copy. Plus, you get tools to build custom music and sound effects, so you're not stuck with generic stuff everyone else uses.
And you said 3D as well.
You bet. Turn flat images into realistic 3D avatars, redesign your entire living space, or stage real estate listings in seconds. Then there's SEO tools, chatbot builders, you name it. It's all inside.
So basically you're saying I could cancel like 5 or 6 subscriptions tomorrow and just run everything from this lab.
That's exactly what I'm saying. And what's even more amazing is they offer a lifetime license, no monthly stress. It's the kind of thing where if you're listening right now, you might want to grab it before they change their mind. I mean, this is one of those no-regret moves if you're serious about content.
You know what? I'm feeling like the link we'll leave down in the description and pinned comment is going to be a secret key for a lot of people. If you're hearing this, you're basically getting a head start before the masses catch on.
Exactly. Think of it like a backstage pass. You could keep testing free, random tools that break halfway through, or you could unlock a creative lab that covers it all. Your future self will thank you for taking action now.
Okay, but let's be fair. People are going to have questions, so I'll fire some at you fast, Stephanie. Ready?
I'm an experience. Bring it on.
Is the license really all in one?
It covers everything essential. There are some premium options too, but honestly, the core tools are enough to get you up and running with almost anything.
And what if someone doesn't love it? Refunds.
They don't spell out a super clear refund policy, so definitely reach out to support first if you're worried.
And commercial rights.
Full commercial license. Your work is yours. 100% profit stays with you.
Is it accredited, like a university?
Nope. This is a creative toolkit, not a diploma program.
Are the AI models updated?
Most of them, yes. They roll out updates every 3 to 6 months, depending on what's new in the field.
And if the internet goes out?
It needs a live connection. No offline mode.
Data security?
All encrypted, stored in the cloud, and you can wipe it anytime.
Do they sell my prompts?
Nope, data is only used for improving their own systems, no third parties.
How about support?
Usually 24 to 48 hours via ticket. No community forums yet.
Does it integrate with something like Canva or Adobe?
Not directly, but you can export to MP4, PNG, and all the usual formats so you can blend things in after.
Teams?
Single user only for now.
API?
No API available yet.
How powerful does my laptop need to be?
Just a modern browser, even your phone works.
Mobile app?
No app, but the website is mobile friendly.
And profit. Can it guarantee income?
They can't guarantee, but saving 70% of your time is a huge head start. Results depend on you.
Age rules?
13 plus with parental permission under 18.
Any training?
Plenty of how-to videos, but no formal classes.
If I break their rules?
They shut you down immediately.
Payment?
They accept cards, PayPal, even crypto.
Could I just use a bunch of free tools instead?
You could, but you won't match the same power or efficiency.
Could this platform die in a year?
Nothing lasts forever, but their frequent updates lower that risk a lot.
Wow. You pretty much covered everything.
I'm telling you, if you're serious about content creation, go click the link in the description or the pinned comment, because when things move fast in AI, the folks who jump early usually win.
Couldn't have said it better myself. I mean, this is one of those moments where your gut is probably screaming, grab it while it's hot. Don't overthink it. Just peek at what they have, and you might be shocked how far you can go.
We'll be back next time with who knows what. Maybe an AI that writes breakup ballads or bakes digital cookies. Anything can happen here.
Absolutely. That's the magic of AIStudio. See you next time, and remember, the link is waiting. Happy creating. AI bundle?